Hey guys, LT Anthony01 here, and today I'm going to be playing with my friend Mr. Vabito.
What's up, guys?
And today I'm going to be claiming my first day login, which is 100 gold, which makes sense that it's a one freaking chest.
I'm usually good at this game, but of course the second I start recording, I can't hit a shot.
Same. That is so me.
Oof. Oof.
Ooh.
This game is super fun. It's very fast paced. So if you don't have your 100% attention
You
to
die.
it, yeah, basically what he said.
And of
For some
course,
reason,
we
my,
got
my
the...
effect that I have makes them stand there for like a fat second until they actually die. So it's kind of confusing to me, and it might be confusing to you guys, but I'll change my effect after this game.
We got Lux because me and him
Anthony,
are always on the same
there is a
time.
kid I'm shooting right behind.
And you stole my freaking kill. Oof. What are we going to call Rottweiler Chop?
Rottweiler Chop.
Yeah, what are we going to call him? We gotta call everybody on this team something.
Okay, you are light skin. Just kidding. I don't want to trigger anyone.
I'm the what?
Nothing.
That's what I
Oh, by
thought.
the way, guys, everyone on LT Anthony's channel, you can see my view on my channel that he will hopefully put in the description.
I'm not gonna put it on the description. I'm gonna put it on the end screen.
Just put it in the description as well. That'd be nice.
I. Ooh, mate, we got gray person. I killed. Bro, black guy killed me. Rottweiler Chop killed me.
I'm so bad at this game.
Same.
So very bad.
How do people like shoot behind them?
They do a thing.
Do you know how to do that thing?
Shift lock. Ooh.
It's not working.
I would rage, but I'm recording.
It no work, sir.
Yes, it do. I trust. Oh god, I just went into my second monitor screen. Oh god.
Well, I die. I
You
suck.
did.
I did.
Wow. Did you see that? He just did a backflip.
I'm about to avenge myself 5 times.
Eat.
Pant.
Where's someone? I need to shoot them. Like dramatic, like eat pant. But no, just no. What? I didn't even hear that shot. This game's
I didn't
amazing.
hear half the shots that killed me, including that one.
So far, this game is bad. I'm assuming. Just from like my little review so far.
Probably because you suck so bad. Bro, camper, die. Oh, he finally realized that that I knew he was camping.
Because I'm just bad at this map. If we get on depot, I'm gonna wreck every.
Wow, I just walked right into him. Because I thought I was going to shoot him, but no, my aim's like terrible. Dude, there's a...
Look at my video one more. Did I shoot that?
Did I shoot? I did not shoot.
Our team lost. I got 6 kills somehow.
Holy crap, someone doesn't have a life. Oof, never mind.
Hello, LT Anthony.
Hello, Zexy Zex. AKA Mr. Vabito.
Oof. We need to turn down a bit.
Oof.
Oofta. No,
There's one thing. There's another thing I want the owner of this game to change. The freaking intermission time. It's been like a minute so far.
Oh yeah, that's terrible. Do you wanna switch game mode to capture the flag?
We'll join a different server. We won't be on the same team. We won't be on the same game.
Play level 5 plus. I'm level 7.
Howdy, partner. Got any songs you want me to play? Actually, yes. Oh,
Bounty server. I
bro,
may or may not have accidentally left.
on Depot.
Oh God! Can you join? Can you join? Like, can you change game mode and go to a new? Because I accidentally moved you.
Sure. I'll go switch game mode in intermission because you can't switch it mid game.
I'm bad at every. Oof.
I'm terrible.
Oh, this
Oof.
game, my effects is actually working. Make them pink.
Maybe because it actually just registered. I don't know.
Yeah. So
I'm
now
I'm
if I actually
sucking
now I
Depot
know
right
if I
now
hit someone.
because people are just sneaking up behind me and killing me. Cheap shot.
Ooh, I knew it.
Hey, cheap
Come.
shotters out there, eat pant.
No! Oh no, he got me. That gun.
Eat pant.
Okay. Wow, I just joined the game and I lost. I blame it on my team. I'm level 8. Why won't it let me play capture the flag?
Oh no, someone just stole my eat pant. What the heck?
Stop stealing my joke. Well, not my joke, but I told you about it.
Actually, no, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. You didn't start saying it till I told you about it.
Because I didn't know you knew about it. Kind of obvious.
Boy.
Ob.
No, it fucking isn't. You.
Whatever. Whatever oof says. Whatever oof says.
Yeah, you're gonna have to edit that out.
No, because nobody actually heard what you said. Maybe except for the first two, but oh yeah, and I can't really edit that out if I don't have an editing software.
Yeah, so rest in peace video. Oh, I don't want to record anymore. I don't fucking feel like it.
Oh, you were recording too? Oof. Wow, I was mid front flip and he killed me. This kid's on some type of like aimbot.
Something.
This kid's on aimbot.
Exclamation.
Wow, I suck at this game. Well, that's it for you guys. Just saying, if you're good at FPS, then I suggest you play this game. But if you're not, then you'll rage. Trust me. But other than that, bye, guys.